Hello, guys. Hope you're doing great. Yesterday, we are saying regarding hey, yeah, content creation or using co-create of Riverside, but that isn't giving us good results. So, what the transcription, and we found out that yeah, transcriptions working good. And what we are looking to create here is to make the content from long form and using the transcription I'm streaming and this my words getting uh, transcribed in a in a written form by the software, and then we can use that written form to create the various content in a consumable format. So I'm just exploring it out how we can do this thing. Yep, let's see. So I am using the Riverside, and I'm looking to create content from the transcription. And yes, okay. So let me share the screen. Hopefully, it will give you a good idea. Mm-hmm. Okay, so what I should do that I should share this one. Okay, so where we are, I think so. This part we are working on, and what we did go here after edit, and yeah, this is yesterday stuff. So we will click here then, and afterwards there will be the transcription as you can see here. And what I'm going to do, download subtitles, transcribe or something like that, copy transcript, or okay, just download the transcript. And when you get it downloaded, you can go and see. Okay, this is the transcript of this video. It's a long one. It is around 1 hour long video. So what I'm going to do, I have to make the content from it. Okay, you are unable to see the uh, file. However, what I'm going to do, I'm going to open the shared GPT, and I go here at files. Okay, here, and then here I just pasted the file of the downloaded transcript, and let's see. Okay, I just want to make the understanding out of it. So first of all, I want to see that AI is getting the right understanding from my content transcription or not. So tell me your understanding of the content. Uh, because many times it happens that AI unable to understand in a right way what you said, as we see yesterday regarding the co-creator is not understanding my content in the right way. So that's why we have to know that AI is understanding our content as we want it. Okay, core idea. The document is essentially your brainstorming structured notes and how to negotiate client, not only focusing on monetary compensation, but also leveraging non-monetary benefits. Yep. Okay. Expanding investment pools, better purchasing power, monetary deals, building credibility, expanding client network. Yes, 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 yes. Competency play for agency and client negotiation, planning that money is just one dimension, long term, live leverage, data work, and immediate cash. Yep. Yeah, these are all the ones. So I mentioned a systematic evaluation of both monetary and non-monetary. Yep, that's great. So I can ask that. Okay, write a blog from this where you left nothing but make it consumable and fun. Okay, ignore my spelling. And so beyond money, how negotiation. Okay, so what I did, I just do the live stream, then my words get transcribed, and this I'm just making the content out of it. So I'm not again writing each article and reminding every concept which I mention in the live stream. I'm just using my live stream content to make other content from it. So yep. uh, Beyond money, how to negotiate with clients like approve and actually win. When we think a client negotiation, our brains usually scream, "Show me the money." Okay, our brains scream as a service provider, but here's the truth: some of the best deal in the career may not come from the fat paychecks; they come from no matter yep. Bring down. Okay, investment. A client with a deep pocket expand your buying power, which makes suppliers okay. The context is that as I am doing wholesale or a retail business, so it's very beneficial for me to have the deep pocket clients so they can purchase high worth inventory, and it will benefit our agency or work. So yep, that's the stuff. There's the content context. Portfolio gold. Each client adds another shiny case study, yeah, and that's one land okay, data they new oil but cleaner. Every client brings data, product data, sales data, supplier data, yeah, okay, and insights, better decision and better, yeah, these are the things I mentioned there. I'm just checking it out what chat gpt right here, write it in a correct format, correct way, and especially having the correct understanding what my main aim for. So I think so there so far it is making good understanding out of my transcription. Okay, skill up while you cash up. Working with clients is your fastest way to get better at your craft. Run PPC campaigns, yep. Skill up and analyze your data, build your Excel visualization chops. Yeah, I also mentioned this thing. Some of these core skill set knowledge, and either way, you walk away more valuable strategy leverage. Playing chess, not checkers. Okay, brand association. We have worked instant credibility. We can build this swing, can't serve client fully, partner with agencies, spread the pie. Yeah, that's what Visa serve. Clients can open. Yep, I also sell that. Yeah, I also told that. Operation superpowers, benchmark data, learn exactly. It's great. Handle account suspension and compliance. Okay. Every fire bring okay relationship. Best sales your best sales people referrals without asking. Your best sales people are your customers. That's it. Uh, Culture teachers work globally and learn globally. Mentor some clients expertise rubs off on you, whether it's accounting, relationship, leadership, operations. A smart agency owner knows you don't just close the, you build alliances. Yeah, mindset shift that change the game. Not all small playing clients are bad. Some offer insane value through connections, data, and learning. Okay, or short-term pain can equal long-term gain. Confidence. The more deals you negotiate, the better you get. Remember, uh, negotiations aren't the surviving, they are about striking. Okay, the real secret sauce, here's the kicker: you create You can even ask client for resources instead of paying. Negotiate access to the client subscription for a small cost for a big win. Okay. Yeah. I mentioned there is that you can get the subscriptions or the resources from the client if they are paying you less. So this will cover your tools cost or the resource cost. So yeah, I think so. So far, so good. So there's the web article. We can ask make the FB post, but it shouldn't be. It seems like AI written. So let's see what's going happen. No, it's making the post. That's that's giving AI vibes. So these emojis are the first signal of being the AI stuff. So yeah, I have to train it, and then we will find out if it is getting my tune or something like that. However, I can craft the Abby pose on my own or get this one there as well because yeah, it's good and. So far so good understanding. So this is a way to make a written content from your streams, from your recording, get the transcription, and then upload it in the chat gpt, find out and start making the content from there, check out if the understanding is right, get your tune into it, and then keep it rolling. So that's how you can speed up your content creation process by making one content and then you are making various content from it. So I'm just exploring it as well. Here I just make a post and then see what better can be done. Okay, so okay. Now, what I find out that I have to change some of the core stuff here. How to negotiate it's fine when we think like a client negotiation. Okay, when we think okay, there is canvas uh stuff in ChatGPT. I think so. I can edit this in the canvas right now, and then I can just copy and paste. Okay, so first of all, I just want to make sure that the ChatGPT have the right understanding, and if it's good and it's good, because this stuff is taken from my live stream, which you can see here. So this is originally the content I created, and then I'm mainly repurposing it from AI. So yep, let's see where is the canvas. Where is the canvas? Canvas, agent mode type, use connector, sturdy. Yes, okay, I think so. That's the one. Okay, I have to see if I go get it on. Yeah, it is. Let's see if it up. Okay, great, man. I just told, and there is a sign I see. Okay, great. Smart. Okay, so here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Go, 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 go. Edit. Edit. Unable to get all stuff. I don't think so. Okay, let me share again. Okay, where it is? Content understanding. Okay. Let me show you guys what happened in. I think that there is a connection problem. Trying to connect, having. Okay. I think that there is a connection problem, but I don't know if you can see it right now or not, or what it is. So when I asked to get it on Canvas, what it did that specific content in the canvas. So when I'm going to click here, it is showing only this part. Okay, but I want that article part in the canvas. How? Okay, I can ask get all the content in the canvas. Hopefully it will get all the content. Editing client deal leverage. Yep, yep. Okay, getting. Ah, no, man. I'm not asking it in this way, but it's fine if it's getting that one. No. There is a problem. No, it's not super good. It's not super good. So I think so. I have to edit it in another way, or open canvas. Okay, let me edit in canvas all the stuff. No, sorry, I am not looking this one. So I just want to edit this article. So I can go, and it's like I can copy this content directly from here. Okay, and then I can paste it, and let's see what will happen. Yep, now it's making some sense. Now it's making some sense. So it gets, I just select the canvas from the tools, and then it opened the canvas here. I can go here, and this is the name, burn money. Now I can edit it. So there's how I think so it worked out. So when we think about the client negotiation, our brains usually scream money, yep. But here's the truth: some of the best deals in your career may not come from fair paycheck; they are come from non-monetary. USA, you have the hidden perks in investor, the stuff that doesn't show up in your bank account right away, but compound over time like interest on steroids. Let's break it down to make extract. I think so. I can remove it from here. Okay, the hidden treasure chest, non-monetary value. Money is cool, but have you tried investment with a client that deep expand your buying power and seriously portfolio goal? Each client adds another shiny case study and suggested that social proof you can spend forever. Sometimes one client equals 10 new opportunities. They bring you into their circle. Suddenly you are the go-to person. Yup. Regional and the they think of it leveling up the video game. Sometimes you are not paid in coins, you are paid in access and upgrades. And data is the new eye. Every coin gets you the supply and the data and data insights. Insights and the better decision, better tools, better services. You can even use client projects as testing grounds for new strategies. Okay. Yep. Insights, better decision, better tools, better. So you can use your messy, profitable, always, always. Yep. So, working with clients is the faster way to get better at your craft. Handle tough clients. Yeah, this is the important stuff. Handling tough clients seems off, but they also open various uh, things, and they allow us to see many things we are unable to see because they are critical about our working, and they pointing out many things which we are superficially looking for. But when we get improve these parts, then things go like rocket. Yep. So, and what you survive like a boss level. Okay, I can remove this thing. Some of these are core skills, others are side quest, like data reservation, compliance, knowledge, and leadership. Either way, you walk away uh, more valuable than when you started. Yes, strategic leverage, playing chess, not checkers. Momentary wins can be a big picture brand association. We have worked with XYZ brand, instant credibility, affiliate partnerships, can't serve a client fully, partner with agency. Yeah, if we are unable to serve it, our client completely, we can partner with the agency and they can provide the other services and we can have the affiliate sharing with them. Okay, visa sponsorship and regional authority, the client can offer you this. And we can upsell them as well. Operational superpower. It's less about squeezing today, but it's more about starting this working with clients. Some of them uh, benchmark, learn industry standards, testing the new grants, crisis system, nightmare, the problem solver. Okay, every file you put in new recipe, yeah. Each project is basically MBA minus step. Okay, no. We can remove it. Okay, relationship magic. Clients aren't just paycheck, they are your best salespeople. Yes. Refer without asking. Culture teachers with globally mentors, some clients expert. um, Okay, as emergency owners know this one. Yeah, mindset shifts that change the game. Not all small pain clients are some of insane value in the connection or something like that. Short term pain can equal long term gain. A low money deal today might be your best strategic win tomorrow. Confidence compounds. The more deals you negotiate, the better you get. Remember, negotiations aren't just about surviving, they are about asking, stacking invisible assets for your future. Okay, okay, I can remove this part as well. Uh, the secret sauce, the real secret. Okay, you can ask client for resources. Okay, you can say it here like secret sauce. Okay, instead of paying yourself, Falco, think smarter, not harder. Final word. The next time negotiating money, undervaluing, zoom out. What invisible value I am walking away with? A brand name, too flashy to fresh proudly. A testimonial. Uh, a testimonial that closes your next deal. Data that sharpening a referral pipeline. Sometimes the best deal are the ones pay you in everything except cash until later when it multiplies into cash anyway. Okay, it's great. So don't just chase the money, chase the leverage. because economics would look cheap today might just be the ones who turn you into a legend tomorrow. Okay, so I can do this thing. Okay, so this is my article. You can see that. And what I can do, I am more focusing right now. Oh my gosh. I don't know if you are unable to see my content. Hmm. I was making it. Okay, so I opened the canvas and making the content here. So when I finished, I think so it is all good. Then what I'm going to do this thing, I am going to get on my existing video on existing video which is regarding the client negotiation. And what I'm going to do, what I'm going to do is the client negotiation dealing one or two. So what I'm going to do is a simple go, and I will paste the article here and make sure and check it out if all good. So let me show you so you can have an idea as well. So what I did this thing, and I just create share my content here. So let's see if all good here. There is live. I am okay. So let's see if if, if the content gets published. Okay. So there's the content which I publish in this way. I think so. I have to edit it in a better form. I can remove this, and if I'm able to make it like more, no, unable to make it, mm-hmm, unable to format it well. So I think so. If it's all good, so you can do this thing from this content. What I am doing here is mainly just creating the content out of my stream. So here is the summary of what I said. So my stream is around 1 hour long, but if you go and read the content which is here, it is just take might be 5 minutes or 10 minutes maximum. I think so, but 5 minutes I think so. As well, if you have the proper focus, and I know that people have the shorter span at the time of social media, so we can create the shorter form of the content here as well. But this is the content which is written one, and it will help to know about how to make things work out well. uh so yeah, it's saved. So that's how I think so we can create the content from this one. And let's see, we can make some other post out of it and what's going to happen. Okay, so thank you so much guys, and have a nice day. um when I'm going to start creating another content, I might share with you as well. So yeah, thank you so much and have a nice day. Bye.